No, that's not the kind of game we're talking about today. I'm here to talk to you about test-taking skills. On the day of your test, you need to have the mindset of an athlete on game day. The object is to get as many points as possible, just like in a sports game. You already know your content, you studied well. So you need to do well on the technical parts of the test. If you take the test well, the test will show what you know. Here are some tips for bringing out your A game on test day. Remember to put your name and date at the top of the page. Look over the directions carefully. You do not have to take the test in the order that it is given to you. Start with the questions that you know best. Build confidence. Then you have more time to spend on the questions that are more challenging for you. Also, make sure to give yourself time to do the essay questions. Remember to focus your attention on one question at a time. Also be aware of the logic of the test. Every test gives you a certain amount of information about the subject that you've studied. Let the test support what you know. For example, you might be given definitions where you match short answers. Later on the test, you might have to write definitions. Make sure the definitions from the short answer section match the answers that you gave in the written section. It is a good test-taking strategy to use other information on the test to support you while you're taking the test. It is also important to guess smartly when you're taking a test. Make sure to complete each answer. Do not skip any questions, even if you don't know an answer. Guessing is not dishonest. If you take a risk by guessing, you might know more than you think and get partial points. Unless your teacher tells you otherwise, it is always good to guess. Answer each question. Do not leave blanks. Make time to check your answers. When you're done taking the test, do not just turn the test in if you have more time in class. Use that time to count the number of questions on the test and make sure that you put an answer for each one. Leave the test feeling confident that you did your best. Although each test is the real thing, each test is also a place for you to practice your test-taking skills. Take your teacher's test reviews seriously. If you combine studying well with testing well, your grades will start to show it.